So let's continue section 3.3, which we started last time. And previously we talked about the product rule. Now we're going to start the quotient rule. And so the quotient rule says you have two functions, f and g, that are differentiable functions. And then the derivative of the quotient, f of x over g of x, it's this quotient over here, g times f prime of x minus f times g prime of x over g of x squared, provided that our function g of x is not 0. So another way you can remember this, there's a little saying that people remember. So we're going to use low for the bottom function and high for the top function. And so if you read the right-hand side, it's low, the derivative of the top. So they say d high, low d high minus high d low, derivative of bottom, over low squared. Okay. So let's put this formula into practice. Let's find a derivative of the quotient. Find the derivative of the function 5x minus 2 over x squared plus 1. So we're going to use our quotient rule here to get the derivative. So we'll just write y prime for the derivative. 5x minus 2 over x squared plus 1. So if you look back at the formula, it's the bottom, x squared plus 1 times the derivative of the top minus the top times the derivative of the bottom all over the bottom squared. So now I'm almost done finding my derivative, but I need to find these two derivatives right here and here. So we're going to use our power rule to give us those derivatives. So the derivative of 5x minus 2, that's just going to be 5. The derivative of x squared plus 1 will be 2x using the power rule. So you can leave your answer like this, or if you want to, you can simplify it. So let's see, 5x squared plus 5, and then minus 10x squared minus 4x. So it looks like we're going to get a negative 5x squared plus a 4x plus 5 over x squared plus 1 squared. And there's my derivative using the quotient rule.